The last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. One moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this the last day time we sink.
Hindi kami tuloy doon kila Habibi. Hindi rin matuloy si Mamshi. So hindi na lang kami magtuloy. Pwede na kami mag-ano dito. Punta lang kami ng castle mamaya. Ayan.
Hey guys. Magluluto. Ayan my lap. Air fryer niya. Mga wala klaro nga plan ba? Imbis mag Christmas market mamaya, hindi natuloy. Hi guys. Pupunta kami sa Christmas market. Pero punta muna kami sa bahay ng kapatid ni Habibi. Doon sa bagong kasal. Oh, sorry. Sorry naman. Kala ko guys, hindi kami matuloy. Pero tumawag yung kuya niya. Kaya puntahan na lang mo. Napag-usapan na kasi na punta kami ng market, Christmas market ngayon. So, punta muna kami doon, daan kami. To eat cake. Ay, cheesecake. Yum-yums. Karin, papunta doon. Hello guys, we are going inside the castle. Sis Binda, I follow you. May versus sign. How's guys ang ating mga kasama? Okay? Excuse me. Wow! Ang ganda. Manchas, Marte. Nice. Delish, no? Delish tong.
Das ist reingegangen.
What?
Das Loch nicht reingegangen.
Nein.
Das ist voll, ne?
I just wanna film. Guck mal, er hat als Kippe. Der Mann dahinter, er hat als Kippe.
So, ja,
Licht.
schön, ne?
Aber schön. Ayan yung castle guys, oh, pinailawan nila. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hindi ka man makita. Eh, siyang gipin. Hold it. You can try. Wait lang. Sige. Okay. Mimili. I want to buy something nice. Pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty.
Ja, schlapp dich das nochmal an.
Das ist wirklich süß. Cute. Guys, yung mga dekos nila, oh.
Eichenkorb für meine Stimme.
Wow, ja, kannst du haben, love. This one also. Oh my god. This one.
Ja, aber du kannst ja nicht. Ich will die nicht in der Tür.
Cute, oder? Oh.
Cute. This one mit Fenster. Oh, cute. Oops, this one I like. Meron pa siyang pabintana, oh. Ah. Ayan po guys. Pasyal tayo sa Christmas Village. It's a Christmas village.
Entschuldigung, die kleinen Häuser haben Sie die ABC größer oder nur in der? Ich habe die jetzt nur noch in der, nur noch sehr, okay, ja.
Cute. Tingnan nyo guys yung the bow. Was fiber. It was with fiber. Yeah, no? Lila, iginbi. Maganda rin dito. Padeko nila guys. Ayan. Eto naman, binibinta siya guys. Bow meat leaves. Kasama na yung ilaw niya. 95 euros ito. Pero buhay siya na ano, na halaman. 11 dish. Ganda ng ano, light ng kahoy. Wow. Labas na kami guys. Nakapunta na kami dito noon. Masok kami sa loob ng Here, come on, Ese. Church crystal.
Is die Hexe?
Yes. Schulte aber rein. I'm the sweet hexe in your life. Aray ko.
Oh, is das matschig?
Hi guys, oh. Ang ganda. Hanggang ano to, matapos yung Christmas, merong ganito. 30 minutes din yung hinintay ko guys. Sana makatch ko yung train papuntang Grevenbush.
Nakalive na ito ba? No, only this one. This one I'm filming. Sana all.
Just like a dream, and now I'm taking you there.
No, from Germany to Philippines.
No, tanig, Christmas na ito. Ang effect, Christmas.
Yun mo na.
Ay, wala ko ay. Doon ka ba lang sa Christmas na ito? Dapat mo down to Phoenix there.
Ilang na Phoenix ron.
I'm bad enough when a man like you. Wow! Hindi ka muna tayo sa kinakasya!
Our birthday girl, Safia! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Nagilom siya yung head.
Bye!
Bye! Ingat!
See you later sa ating ating party. Lagay ko sa freezer. Tama ba? Yes. Kasi ito yung ulam bukas sa ang dami din.
Nice. Yung mga guys. Hey. Hello. Tapos lang maligo guys. I'm gonna do my hair. Naligo ako guys kasi sobrang init kanina. And Habib pala nandito guys. Dumating kaninang madaling araw. Today pala is Friday. So wala siyang work kasi work siya kagabi. So another week pa. What?
Schon so viele Geschenke.
Das ist nicht alles meine. Das ist von Marites.
So.
Ja. Gebracht. Wir nutzen das. We're doing something in, I don't know, in January. Yeah, something. Keine Chicken in Sylvester, ja?
Nee.
Ja, nee.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Why not?
Because we believe in January, in Sylvester. In Sylvester, you should not prepare for chicken because chicken like crack, crack, crack. Dimakin so, and then they eat. You know?
Yeah.
It's not sign of abundance.
So,
I don't know. Just what I've heard.
okay.
Naawa na si Shat sa superstitious beliefs. Ang drama ni Felix ba? Talagang ganyan. Siya, look, kumal Felix. Imakdas extra ba? Mahiga yan siya dyan. Na nagkakagulo kami dito, mahiga yan siya dyan. Gusto niya ng attention pag ganyan. Magluluto kami, guys. Nag-fasting kami whole day. Whole day na fasting. Ay. Uy. Kung meron tayong pinya, paano ko kaya ito mabalatan? Ayaw niya kasi mahirap daw. Tagal ko hindi kumain ng pinya. Gusto niya yung sakaan. Bahala ka. Hala. Ang bibi. Ang bibi. Ang bibi. Ang bibi. Ang bibi. Malapot mo. Ang bibi. Ang bibi. Ang bibi. Arti kaayo ni siya ba? Bibi. Uy, kakit ang baby natin, guys. Oh. Bibi. Can I have this one? No?
Huh?
Guilty pleasure. Nuts. It's not yours. Noon sa naman Lex. He think it's lickali. That's lickali for mommy. Oh. Ano ba? Teka.
You can cut the onion. Oh, you don't like it, I know. Dann mach erstmal Bratpfanne.
Ang ganda ko. Pakatin mo ka ng onyo.
Erstmal Bratpfanne vor.
Alam mo talaga ayoko ng onion, ha? Ang daming meat.
Für jeden 2 reicht, ne?
Dito tayo para kasama yung ulo ni Habibi. Sakit Mix ko na lang yung long corn na rice, tapos basmati. It's okay. Love, remember this Sultan, cumin, Burkish Habal.
So.
I remember the name now.
Ja, aber Kümmel ist nicht lecker, Schatz.
Nein, it's lecker lagi. Because I all the time I said cayenne pepper. Das war nicht cayenne, das war cumin.
Echt?
Yeah, it's good for food.
Ja, for the stomach ist gut.
Yeah.
Verdauung, weißt du, wenn du so Kraut isst, wo du pupsen musst, dann musst du Kümmel essen.
My love,
Yes.
isutik ko we're going to a party tomorrow.
Mama, party tomorrow?
Yeah, in Bergheim.
Gregor hat morgen Geburtstag, Schatzi.
What does that mean?
Tomorrow, ich war jetzt nach Kreta zum Gregor.
Why you didn't tell me?
Nee, hab schon gesagt, Schatzi.
Oh my God. No, because I think, I know today is the birthday, but you don't tell me that we're driving there.
Ich hab schon gesagt, wir essen Samstagkuchen mit Gregor.
Also, das ist Samstag, okay.
Was ist die Party denn in Bergheim?
This is a Christmas party from the Filipino community. It's okay, my God.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't need to be sorry. Just, if, like in my mind, if we don't have anything, I wanna go there.
Yeah.
Yeah, then we're driving tomorrow. Uwi kami bukas sa kanyang apartment kasi birthday ng kanyang brother. Yee! Happy birthday, Gregor! Yeah, malapit na kaming kumain. I hope you're filming. Are you? Yes. It's filming.
So.
Blah. Grabe guys, ang kipot ng kusina namin ba? Masikip, dalawa lang kami ang sikip. Pag nanalo siya sa loto guys, bili siya ng mansion para malaki yung kusina. Men siya, tapi sagen das du gewonnen Lotto hast?
Dazu, ja.
Dapis? Guys, may balita ako sa inyo. Ang Habibi guys, nanalo sa loto. Oo, is no joke, nanalo si Habibi ng loto guys.
Ja, war ja nicht so viel, ne?
Yeah, trotzdem, you win.
Gut, ne? Ja,
It doesn't matter. You win and that's it, you know?
Genau.
Guys, nanalo siya ng, how much is it? 850? 850 euros guys. Nanalo siya. Tapos alam nyo ba, yung loto na yun, August niya pa, nilaro. Buti hindi niya natapon yung ticket ba. Tapos last week niya lang, this week. Kasi bumili siya ulit ng panibago, so naglaro ulit ng bago. So dinala niya yun, pina-check niya dun sa machine or whatever. Na, biniro-biro pa siya ng stock doon na nanalo, hindi. But he wins. Oh! Happy me! Kasi guys, alam niyo ba, parang gift na, it's a nice birthday gift for you, my love.
What?
Because you win.
Ja.
Birthday niya kasi guys, this December 26, so it's a gift. Kaya we're happy for him. Next time, my love, you win millions. Okay.
Millions?
Yeah. Okay.
Millions of euros?
Yes. Okay.
Of pesos.
No, euros, of course. May chance talaga siyang manalo guys kasi naglalaro siya, di ba? Tapos yung kapatid niya din, niregaluhan niya, bumili siya ng ticket na blank, tapos niregalo niya sa kapatid niya yung mag-ano doon, yung maglagay ng number. Kasi nananalo din siya. Alam niyo ba guys, nanalo din siya ng mga 2.5 milyon din. Nung this year lang, nanalo siya. Pero hindi ko siya masyado ikwento kasi syempre kanila yun. Pero yun si Habibi, 850 euros. Guys, nagpaalam ako kung pwede kong sabihin. Okay naman daw. Fresh pinya. Alam niyo ba guys, magkano? 79 cents.
Mit Schlagsahne, aber wir hätten dran gekommen.
This one, pineapple opener.
Ach so.
Pillar for pineapple.
Ach so.
Yeah.
Ja, so Schlagsahne, süße Schlagsahne.
Yeah. I want you to know that is been stores of this. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm proud of myself.
And I'm proud of you. And I'm proud of myself also.
That's good. I'm also proud of you.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Very important.
Tikla.
It's so strong.
Tik. Oh, imo ma. Paparami yung kain ko ngayon. Enough na.
Enough.
Promise din na. Okay.
The last day goes, they expand and shrink. Memories blur faster than you think. A moment's forever, the next just a blink. And this the last day time we sink or swim. So hold on, fight to now.
Simplihan na natin.
This time or wait for you. This
No, you're sweating hin on here. Nothing.
precious truth.
Was dein Ding? Ist die Kerzenständer?
Yeah. Gusto haben? Medyo light sa gitna. Ayan, ganyan lang. Hala ka, marunong na si Lorena, bes. Uy. And then, lagyan natin ng shimmer. Ano ba yan? Actually, kinakamay ko nga dapat to eh. Okay, then pwede na natin i-blend together. Hala ka, marunong na ako, bes. Hala ka, I love this.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not.
Oh yeah, sige. Tingnan nyo guys, how they react. Kapag ayan, takbuhan na sila guys. Takbuhan. Pag may nag-doorbell guys, takbuhan ng mga alaga. Nagsisitaguan sila guys kapag may doorbell. Dumating kasi si Fabian, yung bunsong kapatid ni Habibi guys. Tapos, may pinapapirmahan si Habibi sa akin. Gift niya sa kanyang kapatid. Yung ito, Lotto Shine. Mama nanalo si Greg dito. Hi! Na? Jetzt? Wow, cool. Guck mal, Fabi. Das ist für Greg. Du machst Greg Aldo.
Ich habe Lottoschein wegen Gregor. Ich habe geträumt, dass er 1 Million gewinnt und dann gibt es Streit. Streit? Ja.
Weil ich wollte hier wieder haben.
Ja, das macht keiner.
Doc.
Dein Schein ist ja auch noch
Win, Greg.
Genau.
Mag-wish tayo.
Nee, aber dann haben wir so gemacht, wir haben 1 Million gewonnen und wir haben aufgeteilt 300.000 wieder. Und
si Felix guys. Ngayon lang siya ulit nakita ni Fabi. Ang tagal. Tumaba daw.
Hast du die Drohnen in den USA gesehen? Nee? Was? Seit Wochen sind da so Drohnen, die wissen nicht, wo die herkommen. Nee.
Ich brauche mindestens 22, ich brauche mindestens 22 auf jeden Fall. Und dann
The last time that I've been here, I think I played this one, but I think I forget already.
No, we don't play this together. No, last year. No, letztes Jahr haben wir nicht gespielt, oder? Schwimmen haben wir nicht gespielt. Er konnte auch noch nicht. Wir played gerade noch, ich kenne gerade noch nicht, was ich